Uh, I think it has started. This is. Oh, yes, it has. It has. Wow. I think. No, I'm sure that this is the first live chat जो I have started from my phone. Like, otherwise, मैं, you know, जिसके साथ भी live chat मेरी हो रही होती है, I used to join. But this time, Srishti suggested that you should start it. And I was like, yeah, why not? So now I say hello to everybody, and now I am waiting for a Srishti, and I have no idea where my AirPods. Yeah, just hold on. Hello, hello, hi everybody, hi, hello. Okay, Srishti is saying I'm here. Thank you very much, Srishti. Oh yes. Oh, एक second. Now I have to add question. How do I add? Wait. Srishti is saying hi. Okay. Srishti, तुझे add कैसे करूँ? I'm here. I know you're here. So, I don't use सृष्टि कैसे करते हैं यार guys, whoever is here, can you just please tell me how do I add Srishti? Srishti, I'm just gonna give 1 minute to myself. अगर नहीं हुआ then please you start the chat and then I'll join you. Can't hear you? You can't hear me? Hello? Yeah. Can you hear me now, Srishti? Oh my god, why everybody saying that they can't hear me? आपका वॉइस नहीं आ रहा? Are you kidding me? Why my Oh. Click on my name. I did. Okay. Go live with Srishti. Okay. Srishti. Okay.
Yeah, you made it.
Can you hear me? Can you hear
Yes,
me
now I can. I think पहले some issue with your phone रख दिया होगा और नहीं आ रहा था बीच में सुनाई. I think when you connected your AirPods, but अभी सुनाई दे रहा है.
Okay, hi and
Yeah.
welcome.
Yeah, welcome to our challenge too.
I know.
If you guys were there in our last live, आप लोगों ने देखा होगा कि मुझे सुरभि ने इतनी brilliantly अपने तुक्कों से हराया है. But today, I hope that doesn't happen. And मैं थोड़ा सा better खेलूं. But okay, wait. Before we start our game, कल हमारी एक conversation हुई थी phone पे, and उसमें this is not a quiz question, but this is like an off quiz question. I want to ask you that have we ever worked together, Surbhi?
We did. We did. You were doing Punar, and I came to your show. I remember.
This girl is too smart, यार. This girl is too smart. क्योंकि कल हमारी बातों में बात हुई थी कि नहीं, we have never worked together, but you know, blah blah blah. I'm like, okay, I need to ask her this. That have we worked together? And yes, we have worked together.
We did.
Or yeah, you were shooting for Kabul Hai, and I was doing Punar Viva.
I know, and I remember कोई डांस सीक्वेंस तुझे करना था and you were dancing on मेरे हाथों में 9 चूड़ियां. I was looking.
Oh my god, you remember?
I remember, Srishti, you were outstanding. कितनी जल्दी सारे dance steps और कितने अच्छे से. मेरा this girl has some talent. I was looking at her, I was like, oh.
Dancing and me, I just love dancing. So you know, but and thank you so much.
I just love to see you dancing. You are fabulous when you dance. Seriously.
Thank you. Okay, so are you ready for today's
I just
challenge?
want to tell you that I didn't do my homework अच्छे से. Okay, I'm not going to do that logo thing because I have just prepared questions for you like how I did last time. Okay.
Okay, when I have few questions for you, but very different categories of questions. So you want to start this time?
I will start.
Yeah, मैं start करूँ. I'm okay.
uh, I'll start this time for a change.
Okay,
है
चलो
ना?
ठीक है.
ठीक है.
तो पहले आप
Okay,
लोग
so
मुझे
I'll-
हारते हुए देखना चाहते हैं?
this time I have more Bollywood questions.
Okay, last time I was very bad in Bollywood as well, so I don't know, but
You were
let's see.
not. Were you? I don't
Yeah,
remember.
मैं बहुत बुरी तरह हारी थी last time.
है? Okay, so I'll ask you. So my first question is, you have to tell me the first picture where Amitabh Bachchan ji and Jaya ji has worked together.
गई मैं, I'm gone already. हाँ,
No?
options है?
I'll give you an option. I'll give you two options. I think तुझे पता चल जाएगा. A is Millie and B is Goody.
देखा, मुझे ऑप्शन से भी मेरे को कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ रहा है.
तुक्का
गुड्डी.
मार. Oh yes.
Okay.
Wow.
That was a good start.
Today you are gonna win, my friend.
I hope so.
है ना? अच्छा. So okay, name the movie जिसके लिए Anil Kapoor has chopped off his mustache.
Options है?
Option?
I know.
Yeah.
सोचना है क्या जो होना है होगा, चल पड़े हैं फिक्र यार धुएं में उड़ा की. कौन सी मूवी थी?
No.
हाँ? No? Options?
No. वो movie नहीं थी. The movie was Kaante, but this is not the movie. Yeah.
Yeah,
So two
Kaante,
options. One is Lamhe and B is Gharwali Baharwali.
Oh, घरवाली बाहर वाली.
Lamhe.
Told you.
Lamhe में ही
But कांटे में he had what?
Yeah, this is a film where. Okay, so now do you know which year Aishwarya Rai crowned as Miss World?
Guy, I'm the gone.
This is any which ways. I think ये year वगैरह कौन याद रखता है? You want to give it a shot or you will want to pass it?
Do you want to give me options?
95, 94. 1995, 1994.
95.
I was about to give you a hint.
94, 94, 94, 94, please, 94, please.
मैं तेरे को बोलने वाली थी that it's not that odd.
Oh God.
Not bad. Okay.
Not
So
bad,
you
very
tell-
bad, Surbi. Stop being so nice to me.
No, this is very easy for you. The next one is very easy.
Okay.
You have to tell me one name, okay, of the movies which Madhuri Dixit has done with three Khans, Salman, Shah Rukh, and Amir.
With 3 Khans.
Easy.
अच्छा, okay. हाँ.
Yeah.
दिल तो पागल है. दिल तो पागल है. और मैं सारी क्यों ब्लैंक हो रही हूँ? एक सेकंड. दिल तो पागल है. माधुरी दीक्षित and 3 Khans. आमिर खान.
Amir Khan.
Why is like आमिर खान.
हमने घर
सुरभिया.
छोड़ा है.
मुझे मैं ब्लैंक हो रही हूँ. I don't know what is happening. It's such में pressure.
It's okay. It's not your exam.
You're asking me about it. आज की
को
movie में
तोड़ा है.
नहीं याद आ रहा.
Madhuri Dixit is not like Meena Kumari ji. She's आज की यार.
I don't know. मैं पता नहीं कब की हो गई हूँ.
Srishti,
Shit, why am I so
I'll
blank?
tell you what. You have to tell me this movie. हमने घर छोड़ा है, रस्मों को तोड़ा है, दूर कहीं जाएंगे. You don't know this movie? I'm ending this live chat right now.
अच्छा, एक मिनट. सलमान खान भी तो है ना?
हाँ, तो सलमान खान के साथ बता दो.
सलमान खान है.
सृष्टि, kill me right now. Kill me right now.
हम आपके कौन? हम आपके.
Thank you.
हाँ.
आमिर खान.
I don't know.
दिल.
मैंने बहुत इजी क्वेश्चंस लिखे हैं. I'm so irritated कि मैं इतनी इजी क्वेश्चंस लेके क्यों आती हूँ. You ask me really easy.
You
ones
think
as
that
well.
this is not easy? You think this is not
Yeah.
easy?
Okay,
आमिर
yeah.
खान हमने घर छोड़ा है. Like बच्चा knows about this
I
film.
know, यार. Seriously.
है. Okay, so would you please tell me? Oh, this is interesting. That which one is the most consumed manufactured drink in the world?
Coke?
Man-made, like manufactured drink in the world.
Water.
No. I have to give you
Water.
options.
Okay.
I have to give you options.
Okay. Sorry.
Tea or coffee?
Oh, I can't. Coffee.
No. Tea.
What are you saying? आज तक मैं जिसको पूछती हूँ What do you like, tea or coffee? सब कॉफी बोलते हैं. अभी tea वाले कहाँ
तूने
से
कभी
आ
मुझसे
गए?
नहीं पूछा. तूने कभी शायद मुझसे नहीं पूछा.
Oh God.
Like
This
I'm
is terrible.
I worship tea. Like I'm a tea believer. Like I love
So
tea.
I don't drink tea also. I don't drink coffee also.
Love tea.
Shit.
How are you
मेरे
alive?
तो नाम में भी टी है. मेरे नाम में भी टी है.
But you like don't drink at all tea or coffee?
No tea, no coffee.
Are you kidding me?
Yeah.
It's an achievement.
No, I
like
don't.
I don't
Yeah,
know. I can't
know.
survive.
But I do a lot of other
Can't
things.
survive. मतलब can't survive.
I drink a lot of mango shake. I drink a lot of iced tea. Iced tea मुझे बहुत पसंद है, peach flavored. And yeah, but I don't drink tea or coffee.
मैं mango shake के
But
बाद
यार,
पूछने वाली थी like are you in like are you in still 5th standard? Like I love mango shake.
I love mango shake, you know. Just before this live, I just
Really?
you know मैं mango shake का glass पी के yeah. I love cold drinks, like you know, like not cold drinks, but yeah, drinks which are cold, like anything like mango shake or nimbu pani or you know, drinks like that. But you know, to all those people, जो I think मुझे आधे लोग तो ना show off के लिए बोलते हैं, oh my coffee, oh my god. कोई टी तो सुना नहीं है अब सबसे
Maybe yeah.
Yeah, you know, I
मुझे भी
feel
लगता है that coffee, I'm sure कुछ लोगों को बहुत अच्छी लगती होगी.
हाँ,
I'm not
कुछ लोग
judging
होते हैं
anybody,
genuine
but like
जिनको बहुत पसंद है, but
a lot of people like I have noticed कि उनको ऐसा लगता है that coffee is like you know little like yeah now I drink coffee like I
Yeah, that's my coffee.
nothing can beat अदरक वाली चाय like nothing in this world.
Oh my god, yeah.
Okay, so my next question, break over. Do you know which one is Subhash Ghai's directorial debut?
ये तो मतलब मेरे को इतना गंदी तरह मारने वाली है ना.
You asked me last time Ashutosh Gawarikar's directorial debut. This time I asked you Subhash Ghai's. I think this is easier.
So I give you options.
I'll give you options. Kali Charan or Hero?
यार ये मैंने पिक्चर दोनों भी नहीं देखी कभी मुझे कैसे पता होगा. हीरो
पिक्चर यार जैकी श्रॉफ वाली.
हीरो हाँ हीरो.
No, it's Kali Charan.
This is getting unreal for me. I mean, what
okay,
is this?
Okay, so I'll ask you, do you have any LG electronics thing in your house? होगा ही,
I think मेरा अंदर वाला TV
है, but you know that this is a very famous brand.
Of course, yeah.
Do you know LG's full form?
मत बोलना. Yeah. Okay. Option.
No.
Options.
Option is Lucky Gold Star or Life's Good.
क्या Lucky Gold Star या
Life's Good?
Life's Good.
Correct.
Yeah.
I'll tell you what, actually, Lucky Gold Star is the like the line they use. You know, like how dark the fire. So LG,
right.
Lucky Gold Star they use. Yeah. So the people think that actually Lucky Gold Star is LG's full form, but it's not. It's Life's Good.
Life's Good. See,
I think there is. So do you want me to ask you what is Amul's full form?
Amul का भी full form है.
Yeah.
Amul तो Amul है. Amul का full form कहाँ है? Okay, please.
You want to skip it? You want? Okay. So one is Anand Milk Union Limited.
Mm-hmm.
And the other is Anil Milk Union Limited.
I'll go with Anand.
There you are right.
Thank God. So I didn't skip this.
Okay. Just tukka.
Yeah.
It works. Okay, so now the last question for you. It's a very, very interesting one. Which book holds the record for being the book that is most often stolen from public libraries?
Oh,
Yeah.
dictionary.
I'll give you options. Guinness Book of World Records or B, Bible?
I think Bible.
You think not?
Okay, Guinness World Record. I think Bible is incorrect. No, मेरी पूरी बात complete नहीं हुई थी. I think Bible is incorrect. The right answer is Guinness Book of World
No,
Records.
that's so smart of you. Wow. I'm gonna do that. You ask me questions, I'm gonna do that.
नहीं, मैं पूछने वाला. Final lock कर दूँ and all that. Okay, so again, I've not lost
Actually,
still.
मुझे
I have
लगेगा.
still not
Yeah.
lost. I've still not lost because your set of questions are
No,
remaining.
not at
which I'm-
all.
Yeah. No, let's see if you can answer the questions that
Okay. You have answered a lot of them. Like, तुक्के बुक्के बहुत चल गए तेरे आज. Yeah. Yeah.
first. Okay, sushi. Like sushi?
Network is bad on your side or what?
नहीं, क्यों? अटक रहा है?
तुम्हारा थोड़ा pause हो रहा था. Yeah.
अभी ठीक है? Is it fine now?
Better. Not fine, but it's better. Sushi, yeah, sushi. I don't eat sushi. I don't like sushi. It's fine. Yeah. Tell
Oh,
me.
okay, but you still need to answer this. You cannot skip it.
I know. Yeah.
Okay, so
हाँ,
sushi
हाँ.
देखा तो है ना?
हाँ.
तो sushi किसमें wrap होता है traditionally? Okay,
Yes.
sushi is wrapped traditionally in A, black edible tape, B, seaweed, or C, eggplant skin.
Black edible tape.
Are you sure?
Yeah, I don't know this.
But it's the wrong answer. I never thought कि मुझे किसी के गलत आंसर पे इतनी खुशी हो सकती है.
What is it?
The right answer is seaweed.
Seaweed. Really?
Edible seaweed. Yeah. Okay, so second one is
I had no idea.
which green food is considered a
You have
superfood?
listen. You have to give me
हाँ.
2 options. Okay, you have to give
Okay,
me 2 options. I
okay,
give you
ठीक
2
है,
options.
ठीक है. Okay.
Yeah.
ये कौन
Ask
सा
the
ग्रीन
question
फूड कौन सा ग्रीन फूड है जो सुपर फूड बोला जाता है? ठीक है.
Okay.
One is parsley and second is kale.
Kale.
Vegetarians, please answer.
Too fancy for me, man. I'm too desi. I don't know. I think it's kale. I'm not sure. I have no idea.
Sure, lock कर दूं?
Kar do, I'm not sure.
But you're right. It's kale.
Oh,
Yeah, yes, it's the right answer.
Wow.
Okay.
Okay, yeah.
Which of the
See,
following would be?
I answered it like how, because my mother's name is Kiran, so I just opted out for alphabet K. ऐसे तुक्के मारते हैं.
माँ ने सिग्नल भेजा. मेरी
बेटा,
माँ ने
कैसे
मुझे
बोल?
सिग्नल भेजा कि अगर कौन बनेगा करोड़पति जीतना है तो के साथ जा. Okay. So the next question is कि which of the following would be a sign that you're not getting enough sleep? मतलब इनमें से क्या होगा तो it's a sign कि आपको ठीक से नींद नहीं मिल रही है पूरी तरह से. One is insomnia and two is muscle weakness. Which of the following would be a sign that you're not getting enough sleep? Muscle weakness or insomnia?
Muscle weakness.
Why?
Insomnia is not a sign. I think it's a disease.
Wow, my intelligent friend is right. Right.
Oh, wow. Wow.
Oh,
wow.
yes.
Yeah.
Okay. Now give me
Is it
1, 2,
Bollywood?
3, 4, 5, 6 movies है, but I'll ask you only 3 films of Salman and Karishma. Very simple यार. See मेरे कितने ऐसे.
It's
You're
simple
asking
for you.
about. Okay.
Salman और Karishma, have they done any film together? दुल्हन हम ले जाएंगे, दुल्हन हम ले जाएंगे, दुल्हन
Second.
हम ले जाएंगे.
Second.
एक सेकंड ना. सलमान खान, करिश्मा कपूर, बॉडीगार्ड में करिश्मा की आवाज थी. लेट्स कंसीडर दैट. लाइक डबिंग की ना करिश्मा कपूर ने.
No.
अच्छा, करिश्मा.
मैं हिंट दूं?
बीवी नंबर 1, बीवी नंबर 1, बीवी नंबर
Okay.
1, बीवी नंबर 1.
Okay. कोई मुझे बोले आ जाओ जो handsome.
हिंट दे.
Hint दूं? कितनी बार बोला? Sorry. लिवर सड़ जाएगा रे भाई. गुम हो गया हूँ,
ओहो.
मैं टुन हो गया हूँ. Something.
मैंने ये गाना ही नहीं सुना है.
आजकल की लड़कियां कमाल करती हैं.
सॉरी,
देख
नहीं
के-
पता.
Okay. Okay. मार्क यहाँ है. मार्क यहाँ है.
अंदाज अपना.
Right. अंदाज अपना.
Yes.
उसके पहले it was चल मेरे भाई.
चल मेरे भाई. Oh, sorry. I'm not.
Yeah.
I'm sorry.
And दुल्हन हम ले जाएंगे, बीवी नंबर 1.
Hmm.
या बहुत सारे मूवीज हैं. जुड़वा. यार जुड़वा कैसे नहीं
जुड़वा
यार?
में
सुरभि यार.
करिश्मा कपूर भी थी. Shit.
दुनिया में आए तो लव करे.
Sorry. तो
Okay.
लव करे. ये
Tell
किसका
me-
गाना है? जुड़वा का ही है?
Right. Yeah.
No.
Okay, now it's interesting. Now it's like I'm giving you a
Oh, shit.
bonus. मतलब if you
हाँ.
ये जो भी मैं पूछने वाली हूँ ना, इसके 9 ऑप्शंस हैं. 9. मैं सामने से पूछने आती हूँ, how many you would like to answer? बहुत सारे. It's very obvious. Like it's like a challenge. How many would you answer
अच्छा.
out of 9? You only tell me. क्वेश्चन जाने बिना just tell me कि मैं इसके जैसे 8 ऑप्शन 7 ऑप्शंस बता सकती हूँ. इसके 9 ऑप्शन.
5. 5.
फिर भी 5 तो मैं पूछ ही रही हूँ. 5 से ऊपर हो तो लगे. 5 तो मेरा
6.
challenge.
चल 6. चल 6.
कंट्रीज.
6. चल 6.
ओके 6 कंट्रीज जिसका स्टार्टिंग आई से होता है. बहुत है सुरभि.
India?
कम ऑन.
इंडिया, इंग्लैंड,
2 बार इंडिया बोलने से मैं दो नहीं
Ireland?
करने वाली हूँ. ओके
सॉरी,
एक मिनट.
इंडिया,
इंडिया, इंग्लैंड,
इंग्लैंड, आयरलैंड,
इंडिया, आयरलैंड,
इंडोनेशिया
इंडोनेशिया.
एंड
बहुत है सुरभि, बहुत है.
शिट.
It's you know it. Like I know you know it.
इंडिया, इटली, Iceland is a country or what? It is? Okay. Iraq,
Don't look at the
Iran?
comments because Iraq, Iran, right? A lot of people are commenting.
Oh,
Iceland.
People
Italy,
are
Iraq.
writing here?
Yes, people are writing.
Dude, why didn't you tell me before?
Yeah,
I could have
so-
seen the movie's name also from here.
No.
They're actually writing.
Guys, please don't help us.
Somebody
This is
wrote
not
South
fair.
Africa. Some people wrote South Africa.
No. Okay. किसी ने इंग्लैंड भी लिखा है.
not bad. Wow.
सुरभि के लिए इंग्लैंड की स्पेलिंग भी चेंज हो चुकी है.
My
Okay.
God. Shit.
Now,
Failed.
let me
Huh.
show you the logos. Okay.
Yes, please.
Now this is a fun part. ये किसका लोगो है? Can you see?
Pepsi. Or thumbs up.
Sorry.
Pepsi.
No, that's terrible, but I'll still give you the options. The options are Taco Bell, Burger King, or Dunkin' Donuts.
Taco Bell. I
No,
can't
it's
see
Burger
it
King.
properly, हाँ सृष्टि, तेरी कसम.
You can't see it properly?
Oh, now I can. तेरे को ऐसे रखना पड़ेगा. Not that मुझे
Okay.
पता था, but now I can see it.
Okay.
Yeah.
ठीक है. Burger King है ये. ये किस कंट्री का फ्लैग है?
England.
You want me to give you options?
Australia.
I'll give you options.
Yeah, okay.
Options are Germany, New Zealand, or Australia.
Australia. है ना?
Right. But New Zealand का is also very मतलब similar, huh? Very similar.
Really?
Okay.
Shit.
हाँ.
बच गई. बाल बची मैं तो. Yeah.
Do you know what brand this is?
Yeah, I know. Chanel.
Which one? No. You want me to give you
Chanel.
options? You want me to give you options?
This is not Chanel.
No. Options do.
This is not Chanel.
Levi's, Umbro, or Under Armour?
Under Armour.
Okay.
Oh,
Now
but
tell me.
Chanel लग रहा था यार वहां से तो. हाँ.
वैसे है ना.
Yeah.
इस टाइप के जूते को क्या बोलते हैं?
Option दे.
Option is wedges,
No.
kitten heels, or ballet flat.
Ballet flat. I didn't know there's something like kitten heels also.
Yeah, kitten heels होता है. Kitten heels and
My
ballet
God.
flat. So
Wow.
you are very good. Now ये हो चुका
Yeah.
है, but I want to ask you two riddles just for fun. बहुत interesting है. पर उनके options नहीं मिलेंगे.
हाँ.
So ना
मैं पिछली
ध्यान
बार भी
से.
दोनों हार गई थी.
नहीं, riddles में you were good. Okay.
No, I wasn't.
ये चीज पानी से बनती है, लेकिन इसको पानी
हाँ.
में डालो तो ये मर जाती है. Guys, y'all can also answer, huh?
Yeah, please answer. I have to see now.
But if they answer before you, you are out. ये चीज पानी से बनती है और पानी में डालो तो मर जाती है.
Ice.
Yeah, Surbi. Like this is like so easy.
Wow. Yeah.
Yeah. Somebody wrote ice.
See, I'll tell you what, Srishti. Like you think
खीर,
of something so
मेघानी.
difficult and मतलब ऐसा सोचते हो कि क्या होगा कि
But इसका आंसर इतना easy होता है.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's the fun ना, because don't go. See, काफी लोगों ने ice लिखा है, but you guys are late. उसने already answer कर दिया है. Second one is,
हाँ.
what has a head and tail but no body? Come on, guys.
A coin.
Yeah, that was quick.
Coin.
Yeah, that was quick. अच्छा, अब ये वाला बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग है. मतलब थोड़ा दिमाग लगाना है सुरभि. जो ये बनाता है उसको इसकी जरूरत नहीं है तभी. ओके. जिसे वो बेचता है वो भी उसके काम का नहीं है, लेकिन जो उसे यूज करता है ना, वो ना उसे देख सकता है ना फील कर सकता है. Who makes it has no
It's
need
so
of it.
interesting that I immediately want to know the answer.
जो उसे बनाता है has no need of it. जो उसे खरीदता है has no use of it. But जो उसे यूज करता है वो उसको ना देख सकता है ना फील कर सकता है. Anybody knows the answer? किसी ने लिखा है.
I know, and I read it.
557.
It's
a coffin. It's a coffin.
Quite, yeah.
Interesting ना?
Yes.
It's a coffin. See, जो
Yeah.
बनाता है उसको उसकी जरूरत नहीं होती, जो खरीदता है उसको उसकी जरूरत नहीं होती, और जो उसे यूज करता है ना उसे देख सकता है,
वो ना उसे देख सकता है, ना फील कर सकता है.
ना फील कर सकता है. So it's
My
very
God.
interesting.
Guys, you are so intelligent, yeah.
Yeah,
Not
these
that
guys are
easy.
amazing,
Wow.
man. These guys are amazing.
Amazing,
Okay.
man. You
Last
guys are doing so good.
Last two.
Oh.
I am tall when
Yeah.
I'm young. I'm tall when I'm young. And I'm short when I'm old.
I don't know. Candle. No, no, not candle. Young and old.
I said yes, you're right.
Oh, candle?
It's a candle, yeah.
Oh, acha, हाँ, like young, yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay,
Yeah.
yeah.
Candle's
Wow.
turn. Yeah,
Yes.
nice. Okay, and
Smart,
the
yeah,
last one.
हाँ.
Yeah, the last one. You can drop me from the tallest building. इसको सबसे ऊंची बिल्डिंग से फेंक दो. I'll be fine. कुछ नहीं होगा. But अगर तुम इसे पानी में फेंक दोगे तो ये मर जाएगा. लोग क्या लिखते हैं? अगर तुम इसे ऊंची से ऊंची बिल्डिंग से फेंक दो, इसे कुछ नहीं होगा. पर इसे पानी में फेंक दो. पेंसिल नहीं हो सकता, गाइस. हाउ कैन पेंसिल डाई इन वाटर?
पेंसिल आई थिंक
Come
वो
on.
कैंडल वाले का जवाब दे रहे हैं, पिछले वाले का.
Oh, okay.
I have no idea यार. Let them write, huh? Ball? No. What is that? Paper?
The answer is
No.
paper.
Clay?
Paper.
That's clay?
Paper.
Paper.
Paper is the right answer.
Oh.
Yeah,
यार ये मतलब
guys.
कैसे किसी को
These guys are really
यार ये
smart,
कहाँ से हो यार तुम लोग?
Wow. क्या सही
Wow,
जवाब
यार,
दिया है
सबको
लोगों
कितने
ने
सारे
यार.
पेपर सब लिख रहे हैं.
हाँ हाँ. Amazing, man. This was
Not
fun.
bad, यार. This is actually fun. और ऐसा लगता है that
काफी
wow, some intelligent people we have out there, yeah, they know it.
Cotton, no, actually cotton doesn't die in water. You can even wash a cotton and when it's in water,
Yeah,
it doesn't die.
yes.
You can use it like,
So it's paper, yes.
it's paper.
Not bad, yeah. Srishti.
So yeah, this was fun.
But I think today it was a tie.
It was a tie? हाँ, it was a tie.
It was
बच
a
गई
tie.
मैं. अच्छा है,
हाँ.
खुद हारने से बेटर है tie.
Tie.
That's better.
I know,
Oh my
but कितना
God,
मजा आता
yeah.
है. And I actually, write down questions for you as if it's some assignment for me. कि
But
ये
see,
पता होगा कि नहीं सृष्टि को
it's
ये ऐसा
actually
वैसा
हाँ. तो मैं भी वैसे ही लिखती हूँ. मैं ऐसे कुछ लिखती
है
हूँ.
ना?
हाँ, जिसका आंसर सी व्हाट हैपेंस इज हम सोचते हैं कि क्विज में कुछ डिफिकल्ट पूछे. बट नो, देयर आर सो मेनी इजी थिंग्स दैट हमें शायद उसका आंसर पता होगा, बट हम लोग इतने डीप में चले जाते हैं कि
Simple things, yes.
you cannot answer it. So simple things. So that's what I wanted to.
Yeah. Yes.
Somebody writing Surbhi Jyoti
It
fan
was
page is writing
fun,
today's live is so
Srishti.
much fun. Yay! We are having such a nice time.
Thank you
here.
guys.
It's like
Thank you. That was
always.
the motive.
You
कि
guys
हम भी
have
fun करें and you guys also do fun.
Yeah, it was fun.
Yes. We will do
Chalo,
it
nice.
again.
I'm
Oh,
glad.
people are saying please don't
We
end
will
it.
do it again. Please don't end it. Okay. एक जोक बोलती हूँ.
हाँ जी, please.
चलो
बोलिए.
एक जोक का आंसर. ठीक है. 3 लोग थे. चाइनीज, जापानीज और इंडियन. तीनों एक बोट में जा रहे होते हैं. ठीक है. सी में. और एक सी मॉन्स्टर आता है. सी मॉन्स्टर बोलता है कि मैं आपको तभी क्रॉस करने दूंगा इफ यू थ्रो समथिंग इन द सी और मैं ढूंढ ना पाऊं. तो अगर मैंने ढूंढ लिया तो आई विल किल यू, बट आई विल नॉट लेट यू गो आगे. बट अगर मैं नहीं ढूंढ पाया तो आई विल बिकम योर गुलाम टाइप्स. ओके. तो सबसे पहले जापानीज सिम कार्ड फेंकता है. सिम कार्ड वो फेंकता है. सी मॉन्स्टर जाता है, ढूंढ के ले आता है. चाइनीज तो वो जापानीज को पानी में डाल देता है. फिर आता है चाइनीज थोड़ा ओवर स्मार्ट होता है. मैं सुई डालूंगा. वो नीडल समुद्र में डाल देता है. मॉन्स्टर जाता है, जाके ले आता है. वो चाइनीज को भी. अब आती है इंडियन की बारी. अब इंडियन कुछ डालता है पानी में.
वो पानी डाल देता है क्या?
नहीं, पानी नहीं डालता. कुछ डालना ही पड़ेगा पानी में. पानी नहीं डाल सकते. पानी में कुछ डालता है वो.
अच्छा.
मॉन्स्टर जाता है, नहीं मिलता. सुबह हो जाती है.
You know, people
अगले
have
दिन हो
written
जाता है.
इसका answer also.
क्या?
People have written इसका answer also. Tablet?
Yeah, different.
Are you serious, guys? Wow, brilliant,
These guys are crazy.
People are using tablet.
Yeah, so
Toffee
you know
और ऐसा कुछ
tablet,
भी.
yeah.
Wow.
Yeah. नहीं, टॉफी तो फिर भी नहीं, डिस्प्रिन तो डालते ही खत्म. Like Yeah, that तो
Good.
वो monster ending तो जाने
Wow,
देता है.
wow.
Yeah.
Guys,
so-
I love you, man. You guys are so much fun.
Yeah,
Like, this
these
chat is
guys
more fun
are
because of you
killing
guys.
it. I know, they're like
Yeah.
so amazing. Like everybody is responding to it.
And so participating. You know, everybody's writing
Yeah.
answers.
Shivam
Nice,
Garg is
yeah.
writing. It was me.
So much
just
fun we
Prince
had.
wala." Yeah, this is such an amazing live, and we hope to
Yeah.
entertain you guys like that with more of our games and challenges. And today
Yes,
was the
and
time.
we will do
but
it more often. Yeah.
yeah, we should do it. Yeah, they're also having fun, but yeah, we'll do it again.
Yes.
And it was
Yeah.
great, Survi, like
Yes.
always. And we'll come back again.
It was great. Yes.
See
Yeah,
you.
guys. Thank you so much
Bye.
for
Hope you guys
participating.
had fun.
Thank you so much for
and-
helping me with your
Yeah.
answers. Yes.
पर मुझे किसी ने हेल्प किया था क्या क्योंकि मैंने देखा ही नहीं था शिट यार
क्योंकि
next
तू
time
ऐसे
we-
सोचती है ऐसे
ए हेलो आफ्टर
और
आई
तूने
टोल्ड यू
मुझे
दे आर
बता
राइटिंग
दिया था।
आंसर्स यू आर लाइक दिस ओनली
Yeah.
Otherwise you
And that
were
is like, लिखो लिखो जल्दी।
अभी तो मैं जब बात भी कर रही हूँ लाइक क्या लिख रहे हैं क्या लिख रहे हैं क्या लिख रहे हैं इसका आंसर
Wow.
सोचना नहीं दे लाइक अच्छा ये लोग
Yeah.
पहले बता देंगे ये लोग पहले बता देंगे बट या दे वर लाइक
Exactly, they're
अमेजिंग
so fast. Yes.
So yeah, thank you guys for participating. Hope you guys had fun. And
Yes,
so we are
guys.
talking
Thank you
soon.
so. Yes.
It was a great live. Bye.
Yes, Srishti.
Bye.
Bye, bye, sweetheart. Thank
Bye.
you. Bye.